What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna change this side marker that's right here. I'm gonna show you guys on the opposite side. It will be running, and if you take a look, there you go. This one's working, but that one is not working. So we got a one little bulb over here. So this is the bulb that we're gonna change. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna leave the lights on so we can. So you see this little guy right here? This, you're gonna grab this and you're gonna turn it counterclockwise, just like that. This long socket is gonna come out. So it's an orange bulb. So we don't have an orange bulb at the moment, and but let me go see this right now. Definitely don't have an orange color bulb, so you can pick up the orange looking bulb, but meanwhile, let's plug this baby in, and this is what it's gonna look. It's gonna kind of look just like it probably, and then you're gonna stick this back into the housing right where it belongs, and you're gonna turn it clockwise now, and there you have it, light working. And if you want to do the same thing on the opposite side, change both bulbs so they both look equal. So this kind of look oranges, and this kind of looks kind of similar, like light. It's light, camera don't see it like that, but it looks something similar. So we leave it alone or change both sides. It's all up to you. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Stay tuned for more videos. And this is the bulb, so if you guys want to change it yourself, it's all up to you. 194, that's the bulb size, but you got to get it in orange color.